This is the Lenovo Yoga Book. It's a laptop/tablet in a super portable form factor. It's available in both an Android version and a Windows one. In this video, we're taking a look at 5 pros and cons of the Windows-based Yoga Book. So without any further ado, let's get into the pros. This thing is seriously portable. It practically weighs nothing and fits with ease anywhere you put it. You have the touch-based keyboard, which saved on thickness, and the plastic used instead of metal to thank for that. So yeah, Lenovo has done a great job at designing this Yoga Book to be portable and easy to carry around. The Yoga Book comes in only a 64 gig option, although there is a micro SD card slot on the left hand side supporting up to 128 gigs of extra storage. It's a nice thought. Because of its weight, the Yoga Book, unlike other 2-in-1 laptops, is easy and actually enjoyable to use in tablet mode, and I'd guess even more so with the Android option. The touch display is responsive and scrolling through web pages is smooth. But those bezels, they're huge. More on them later. This next pro is the Yoga Book's main feature, note-taking on real paper and getting it digitally as well. In the box, there is a pen with a few replacement tips and paper. Place it on the keyboard and press the pen icon, and everything you write onto that paper gets drawn with high precision in an app like Paint or any other stylus supporting one. While the Yoga Book cannot edit your next feature film, it still has enough power to run daily tasks like browsing, emailing, video watching, writing, and taking notes with ease. So with the pros done, let's take a look at some cons. So as mentioned before, and as you can probably see, the Yoga Book has some huge bezels around the screen. If you put the Yoga Book next to something like the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1, yeah, it looks old. In terms of charging the Yoga Book and connecting devices to it, there is just one micro USB port, which seems odd. If they want just one port, they should have opted for a USB Type-C one, because that way the end user can get an adapter to be able to connect multiple things at the same time. And I really do hope that they include that in the next Yoga Book, because it would really tie things together. This is not a device for people who write a lot. There's just no way you're going to be writing an essay or report on this keyboard. There's no tactical feedback. Instead, the whole device vibrates with each click. This is just a compromise you have to make if you want the note-taking feature and the device to be as thin as it is. The speakers are really bad, and so is the trackpad. Its drivers don't seem to work properly. It feels very stuttery and not smooth overall. The placement of left and right click does not help with that in any way either. Those were my 5 pros and cons with the Lenovo Yoga Book. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Like or dislike this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.